The next technique which I am going to tell you is sorting the files. The literal meaning of the word sorting is arrangement. Arrangement in a proper order. So sorting the file means arranging the files. Let's see how many ways Windows is providing us to sort the files. For this, right click on the blank area of the desktop. The second option is sort by. Here you can see we have 4 ways to sort the icons: date modified, item type, size and name. Now let's understand them one by one. Sort by name. Sort by names sort the options in alphabetical order. Now sort by size, it arranges the file in descending order of the sizes. Sort by item type, it arranges the file based on their types. You can see the differences. Sort by date modified, it arranges the file according to the date they were last modified, and you have seen the differences as well. Next is working with multiple applications. Sometimes we may need to work with multiple application, means at the same time we want to do more than one task. May be possible I have to type something in the Word file, and at the same time I need to access the internet for getting the information, right? For this, what I need to do is, first I'll open a Word file for typing, and I have to use internet, so I'll open a web browser as well. Right now I have to make them appear in a single screen. So for this, right click on the blank area of the taskbar, the long horizontal bar at the bottom, and choose show windows side by side. See, now at the same time I can work on both of them. I need not to minimize any window. See, here I can search anything. For example, I have searched computer class. I can search. Word file minimize nahi hui. Right. Now when I'm typing hello everyone in window in this Word file, this web browser has not been minimized. Fine. So I think the concepts being taught to you, they are clear to you all. In case of any query, I'm always here to help you out.